Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. Have you heard about the Lenovo Z5? If you keep up with the latest phone buzz, chances are you have. Everyone was talking about it and eagerly awaiting its introduction. Well, it's here and it's a giant dud. Lenovo bombarded us with droolworthy images of bezel-less phone and dreamy specs, and they were too good to be true. The Z5 hype train was a lie and it's just another pretender with a notch. In fact, the Lenovo Z5 is no flagship at all. It's just another cheap iPhone X clone, which cannot get rid of the chin and packs forgettable mid-range specs. It's just flat out lie. There's no 4TB storage or 45 days of standby time and no promised half hour of talk time on 0% charge. And here are the key specifications. The Z5 has a metal and glass body with a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen. It has a 2246 by 1080 display resolution and a 19:9 aspect ratio, all thanks to the notch on top. It is powered by a Snapdragon 636 and has 6GB of RAM along with either 64 or 128GB storage. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box with the company's own UI on top. The Lenovo Z5 features a dual 16 plus 8 megapixel camera setup on the rear, where the lenses have an 2.0 aperture. This setup should enable you to capture some crisp photos with background blur and HDR mode, though we can't vouch for the quality. There's also an 8 megapixel selfie camera with an 2.0 aperture. Both the cameras are packed with AI features just like any other phone in the market right now. The device sports a 3300 mAh battery pack that should last you at least a day on a single charge. But if it doesn't, an 18-watt charger should definitely help you top it up quite quickly. There's your usual set of connected video options, including a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C charging port as well. For the price and availability, the Lenovo Z5 will only be available in China and starts at just 1,299 yuan. That's for the 6GB and 64GB variant, which is surely aggressive, but there's nothing to set it apart from the notch hordes. So, what do you guys think? Are you disappointed with the Lenovo Z5? Let us know in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.